Adding custom HTML to Shopify allows you to personalize your store and create unique content. To get started, you need to access your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the online store section. From there, click on the Actions drop-down next to your current theme and select Edit Code. In the code editor, you will see a list of files and folders. To add custom HTML, you need to create a new snippet. Click on the Add a New Snippet button and name your snippet. For example, Custom HTML. This will create a new file where you can add your custom HTML code. To add your custom HTML code, simply paste it into the snippet file and save it. You can then include this snippet in your theme by using the snippet tag in your Liquid template. Files. For example, if you named your snippet custom HTML, you can include it in your theme by adding the following code to your Liquid template file. To add a custom HTML section to your Shopify page, you need to use the theme editor. Navigate to the online store section and click on the Customize button next to your current theme. This will open the theme editor where you can add and arrange sections. In the theme editor, click on the Add Section button and select Custom HTML. This will add a new custom HTML section to your page where you can add your custom HTML code. You can then arrange this section as needed and add your custom HTML code to it. When adding custom HTML to Shopify, it is essential to follow best practices to ensure that your code is clean, efficient, and secure. Make sure to validate your HTML code to prevent errors and ensure that it is compatible with different browsers and devices. Additionally, keep your custom HTML code organized and well-structured to make it easier to maintain and update. Use clear and descriptive variable names and comments to explain what your code does. This will make it easier for you or other developers to understand and modify your code in the future. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily add custom HTML to your Shopify store and create unique and engaging content for your customers.